You mean Obina was beaten up again?
Mm-hmm.
Because of that girl?
Yes, Sister Nkechi, yes. He was beaten up.
Hey. I knew it. I know this girl is using a charm on my Obina. Turning his heart away from me. Me, Nkechi. Hey. But don't worry. You see her plans. It will not work. As I speak, I want to go and save Obina. Because I need to be sure that he's fine.
But Sister Nkechi, we have not finished now. We have not finished what we are doing inside. And you know, Mama is going to be angry if you leave that thing alone for me.
I know. But you can cover me up now. Hey, just cover me up. Look for something and tell Mama. You understand?
Every time Obina. Every time Obina. I wonder what you even see in that wretched guy.
Yeah? Ujunwa. Don't you ever say such thing about my man again. Did you hear me? Don't you have respect? If you like, don't cover me up. I'm going to see Obina. If you don't do it, I know how to get you.
It's not good though. Sister, it's not good though. It's not good though. It's not good though. Brother Chidi, welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
Did you see Sister Nkechi on your way here?
No, I didn't see her.
You are supposed to see her now. She just left. Which part did you follow? Is it Umujiri or Amafo?
Umujiri.
Okay.
Yeah, I went to Umanzi Chinedu's house to see his elder son. So how is she? I hope she's fine.
Brother Chidi, she's fine, no. She's perfectly fine. But she's still worried about that wretched guy, Obina. That's why she went to see him.
Obina again? Eh? So you mean after all I have done for her to see a reason to leave that boy and follow me? And she still... Oh!
Nah. Actually, I don't know.
Do you know that the last time I bought her an attachment, red one, long one for that matter, and she refused?
But Chidi, you mean you gave Sister Nkechi a red attachment?
What have I not done for that girl?
And she refused? Hey! When we are here looking for one.
Nkechi! Nkechi!
Sister Nkechi? Mana, Brother Chidi, please. Where is that red attachment? Give me and we accept. Become one.
So you think I'm here for jokes, right? In fact, I'm leaving.
Brother Chidi. It's not my business.
Even when the world is saying, oh, we will stick together, tied in everlasting bond. We are inseparable. Oh, even if the sky is falling, we will be together. Nothing can stop this love. Nothing can quench this fire. Even if the sky is falling,
God must surely punish this man. Hey. Sorry, Sorry. I actually brought food for you. You will like it. It's jollof rice. I personally made it myself. You will like it.
I am not interested.
You are.
I want to learn.
So you mean I should go?
You've not eaten any of the meals I served you for the past 5 days. Why? Do you want to starve yourself to death? All because of that useless one. Is he worth it? Eh? See, I am your father. I cannot mislead you. All I'm doing is trying to secure a future for you. And you cannot get that future from Obinna. Donatus is rich. He is buoyant. He is young. Above all, he will guarantee you financial security. Now you've not eaten your food. You've refused eating your food. You will get ulcer. Please, eat your food. Eat your food to avoid ulcer. Think about it. I'll see you tomorrow. Huh?
You know, we will stick together, tied in everlasting bond. We are inseparable. Oh, even if the sky is falling, we will be together. Nothing can stop this love. Nothing can quench this fire. Even if the sky is falling, we stick together. Nothing can stop this love. Nothing can quench the fire. I will say, and no matter how they fight us, I will keep on loving you. You are my one and only. Oh, I often wonder what this life would have been without you. You are my one and only. I can live my life.
Chidi, this one your face is like this. I hope all is well.
Ebuka, all is not well. All is not well. I'm just coming back from Nkechi's house. They told me she went out to see that same Obinna. I begin to wonder, what has Obinna given to my Nkechi?
Obinna did not give anything to Nkechi. Huh? It's obvious. Are you not seeing it? It's obvious. It's obvious you're loving someone who doesn't love you. And you're forcing yourself for her. Huh?
Ebuka, you need to understand that I love Nkechi so much. I love her so much and I want to spend the rest of my life with her.
Hey! I said it. This life is not balanced at all. Eh? Look at you. You're here loving Nkechi. And Nkechi is there loving Obinna. And Obinna is there loving Nkemdilim. And who knows who Nkemdilim will be loving? Maybe Nkemdilim will be there loving chairs. I'm telling you, Nkemdilim might be there loving chairs. Oh. Anyway.
What matters to me that I love Nkechi so much.
Chidi, you know you're my friend. Eh? I want to advise you. Go and look for someone that you love, that will love you too. If not, make sure you marry someone that loves you. See, forget about this love thing. Let's go to Mama Onye's shop and drink. We need to make money. Oh. Let's go and make money. Forget about love and let's go and make money.
Ebuka, please help me. Please help me.
I should help you.
Yes.
And I will help you. Which one do you want me to help you? To make money or to love Nkechi?
No, I want you to help me talk to Nkechi. I love her so much.
I should help you talk to Nkechi to love me?
Love me, me. I love her so much. Please, help me.
Oh, I should help you talk to Nkechi?
Yes.
Okay, I will help you. Don't worry, give me Nkechi. Let me help you and love her for you.
Ebuka.
Eh?
Ebuka, let's go.
That's my name. Don't worry, let's go and drink now.
Hi, Nkem. It will never be well with you. Nkem, it will never be well with you. It will not be well with you.
Sister Nkichi, what happened? Why have you been like this since you returned from seeing Obinna? Is he dead? Sister Nkechi, I'm just curious. I'm just curious to know why your mood suddenly changed. Or did he beat you?
Are you mad? Is something wrong with you? My friend, get out of here if I change it for you.
Sister Nkechi, but...
Leave here! Get out!
Hey!
Obinna.
Papa,
Good morning.
good morning, Mom. Hi. I'm happy seeing you in this mood. Yeah? Even the food. You've eaten it.
Papa, I gave everything you told me a serious thought. And I have decided to marry Mr. Donatus.
Yay! Hope you're not kidding me.
Papa, thank you for your concern towards me as your daughter. Thank you.
Hey! You see, you don't know how happy you've made me to be. I was wondering if this is not my blood. Hey! Adamnia.
Papa.
Adagaba Jemono. Hey! You are now representing me very well. I am so happy. It calls for celebration. And besides, your suitor, Donatus, will be visiting us today. Please forgive me. Forgive me for all the pains I made you pass through. My hostilities towards you. Forgive me. Huh? I did it. I want to go away.
Papa, you don't have to apologize to me. You did it for my future, remember?
Oh, I did. Come, let's just go and get things ready. Hey! Hey! Oh.
Arabo money, nekwana woke pununkuma. Oi, Arabo nyego no boda. Arabo babangu. Ai,
Mazi.
Ogo Buchonye!
I can see you're doing very well.
Oh, you make me very well because I am fully prepared for you.
Aha! I hope my wife is in there like you promised.
She is there preparing your delicacies.
Money talks, worship works.
Oh.
All of them is magic. Let's go inside. Hey! Hey!
You cannot make it work out. Oh, love is a priceless jewel that nobody can buy. Love doesn't cost anything. Oh,
Mazi, I told you. Yes. Money works.
I know. All of them is magic. Arab money is oil money, of course.
Oh, Nkem, my love, how time flies. How sweet the memories of you lingers in the depth of my heart. Can I ever stop picturing the beauty of your face? Or the cute smiles always on your chin whenever you smile. But now, or has faded away, just like the dews before the morning sun. How cruel is fate, how painful the clouds of anguish enveloping us, how evil the heart of man. I can only imagine what you're passing through right now because of me. However, I know you always keep the memories of our love alive to give you strength when you're weak, to shelter you when you're cold. I wish there's something I can do more to save the situation, my love. But now, all we need is just to bear till the light of love brightens our darkness. For I hope someday this all will be a tale of the past. Be strong, my love. Be strong, my jewel. Only time can heal our tears. Only time can heal our wound.
You are the best chef I've ever seen in my whole life. Naturally, I don't eat out. But considering the fact that the food is coming from my future wife, I had to succumb. And you just passed your test, 100%. Huh?
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hey, please. Don't address me as sir. No. What happened to all those beautiful names? All those fine pet names? Like my love, my darling, my sweetheart. Those things are not sir. Please. Huh?
I'll try.
Very well. Very good.
Sorry.
You're a good woman.
You want from here?
I'll just take it from there. That's better. Listen, as soon as we get married, I promise you I'll take you around the world. Wherever you want, the Bahamas, Seychelles, wherever it is. Because I want to introduce you, my African queen, to the world. Yeah? Hey! This is beautiful. Leave that. This is beautiful. The chicken is well grilled. I love it. Nice chicken. Well grilled.
Ogo!
Mazi!
Ogo,
Mazi, trust me. This food was awesome. Believe me, if your daughter, my future wife, was to go for a competition, she will come out the best chef in the world.
I'm glad to hear that from you. Even her late mother, my wife, made me to confess the same.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Now I see where the gift is coming from. Huh? Mazi, thank you very much for everything. And to crown it all, my wife-to-be's wonderful delicacy. It was wonderful. What more can I ask for? Huh? I'll have to take my leave now, but I promise you tomorrow I have to come back to take my wife-to-be actually, for shopping. She needs a total change of wardrobe. She has to look elegant, you know? Because money talks and bullshit walks. All of it is magic.
What? I have Monday.
Yes. I have to leave now. My darling. Money talks, bullshit walks. All of them is what? Magic. My darling, please, if you don't mind, you could walk me down to the car. I have something special for you. Huh? Let's go. Come. Oh, my darling.
Like I said, I'll see you tomorrow. But meanwhile, I want you to hold on to this little token.
No. Thank you. I mean, you're just coming tomorrow and I don't have any need for the money right now. So just come tomorrow.
Ha! You see why I said you're different? I will not persuade. Huh? Because everything I have is also yours. Alright? So I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay.
Mazi! I'll go with you on you. In-law.
Yes.
I'll go with you on you.
I'll see you tomorrow.
I'll go with you on you. I'll go with you on you. You should have collected that money. No one sees money and refuse money. Go and let me with you.
Papa, you heard him. He said his money is mine. So why don't you just calm down?
Yeah.
Anyway.
I'll go with you on you. Look, I have money. So much money. I have money.
I don't see much chicken out of now.
Look, I'm overwhelmed with happiness. In fact, you made me proud. Arab money. So much money. We are talking about oil money. Right. We are talking to you.
I often wonder what this life would have been without you. You're my one and only. I can live my life without you. Even when the world is saying no, we will stick together. Tied in everlasting bond. We are inseparable. Oh, even if the sky is falling, we will be together. Nothing can stop this love. Nothing can quench this fire. Even if the sky is falling, we stick together. Nothing can stop this love. Nothing can quench the fire. No matter what they say, and no matter how they fight us, I will keep on loving you. You are my one and
Who is it? Hold on.
I often wonder what this life would have been without you. You're my one and only. I can live my life without you. Even when the world is saying,
I'm sorry for putting you through this every now and then.
Oh. Okay. It's not your fault. I guess it's our fate to bear. So we have to be strong.
How I've missed you. I thought they were going to kill you.
Not until I see your face again. Okay. I want our love so strong. Stronger than it ever was. So as to withstand any oppositions or challenges. I want our love engraved in the rock of ages. That neither rain, sunshine, or wind can wipe it off the earth. I want our love deeper, stronger, so as to withstand any unforeseen circumstances. I just hope you can trust me on what I'm about to say.
Obim, you know that I trust trust you. I trust you with my life. Just say it.
I want us to take an oath.
An oath?
Let us seal our lives together. Let us bond our hearts, our love, our body, spirit and soul together forever.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
In poverty and posterity.
In poverty and posterity.
In laughter and in tears.
In laughter and in tears.
We will never defile our bodies with any other man and woman.
We will never defile our bodies with any other man or woman.
Till death do us part.
Till death do us part.
I often wonder what this life would have been without you. You're my one and only. I can live my life without you. Even when the world is saying no, we will stick together. Tied in everlasting bond. We are inseparable.
I need to go before he wakes up. You know my father. I need to go.
Oh, you can hold, you can.
Nothing can stop this love. Nothing can quench this fire. Even if the sky is falling, we stick together. Nothing can stop this love. Nothing can quench the fire. No matter what they say.
Your Majesty. No. I'm a man of my words. Just give me a few hours. I'll be there. Honestly, believe me.
I often wonder what this life would have been without you. You are my one and only. I can live my life without you.
No. Your Majesty, it is not possible. Omuagolo can never take that land. No, it's not possible now.
Tied in everlasting bond. We are inseparable. Oh, even if the sky is falling.
Your Majesty, I'm coming.
Nothing can stop this love. Nothing can quench this fire. Even if the sky is falling, we stick together.
Your Majesty, believe me. I cannot lie to you. Just give me a few hours. Let me tidy up things. I'm coming. Yes. Believe me, I am coming. Your Majesty, just give me a few hours. I am coming.
You're enjoying your meal, right? You see,
I'm happy you finally came to your senses. I mean, you left that miscreant distracting you. Huh? You see, one thing I promise you is when we get married, when we finally get married, I'm going to make sure you lack nothing in life. I'm going to give you everything you want. Take you around the world. What am I even saying? Why don't you just tell me your favorite car, your dream car? So I call the company immediately and they customize something for you. Yes! Wouldn't you like to see something like Asa Arab money? I mean it. Huh? I'm glad I made you smile. Enjoy your meal.
But money not be everything. Cause money cannot buy true love. So no matter what you try, what you do, true love is priceless. Money cannot buy true love. Even if you get the money, you get the power, you cannot buy true love. You cannot.
Uncle Buchone. Yes.
Wale.
Mazi.
Uncle Buchone.
Mazi. Mazi, Wolia. Oh, Maka. We have to learn.
Oh. Nemo. Eh? Hi. You are trying so much.
Thank you.
Yesterday, you took her out. Today again, you people went out and shopping.
No, Papa, today is not shopping now.
Hey.
Restaurant.
Oh, look at
Seafood.
Oh my God.
Papa?
Great meal.
Great meal.
You people just take me to the ocean, throw me into the ocean so that I can eat that fish and the seafood.
Well, Papa, this is just the tip of the iceberg. All right? Because what I'm about to do to her, you will not recognize her again.
Hey!
I tell you.
On the man.
Yes.
Oh God, I have money. This is oil money.
Of course, because money talks, bullshit works.
Oh!
It is magic.
It is my turn to shine.
Yes, of course.
This is my turn.
Yes, of course.
Thank God.
Yes, Mazi, I want you to remember to see your king's men for our wine carry plan. Just as we discussed.
Isn't to remember?
Yes.
Am I still a toddler? Just tell your people to come with everything you can. My daughter must follow you.
Of course, they'll come with everything. I hope you can carry it.
Nanya, just to come. Come, you people can come. Come.
No problem.
I am ready.
Your father is a very funny man. My love, I'll see you tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
Just take good care of yourself.
Bye.
Uncle Buchone.
Mazi! Hey! That is good. Oh my God.
Hi. Nemo. For a chinka for now. Other man. Yeah.
Stop there. Nkechi?
Don't even call my name. So, you have decided that you will not leave my Obina for me, right? Before you and your father will kill him, you will not leave him for me!
Oh. So this jumping up and down like a monkey is because of that? Oh well, if you so much cherish him, why don't you go and hug him and stop bugging my life? Oh, I think I know my Obina knows exactly what he wants. And that is certainly not you. Maybe it is because of this your childish attitude that he does not find you attractive.
Hey, wait! Don't even try to insult me. Oh, you think I don't know? You think I don't know you've casted a spell on him? You think I don't know? You witch. Nonsense. Wait. Did you just call me a witch? Yes! That's what you are! You shame. Okay, you stupid or something. You slapped me!
Stop it!
Papa!
What is wrong with the both of you? Stop it!
Papa!
I said stop it!
You just slapped me!
It's okay, stop it!
I just snatched my
What is wrong with the both of you? I said stop it! Stop it!
You shamelessly went to fight all because of one. I am disappointed in you. You have told yourself to something else since you lost your mother. Fighting because of that better boy called me.
Okay.
I am going to kill you today.
Papa, what's this?
Get inside. Come inside. Get inside. Come on.
You left something that is sweet. Sweet in the middle. You left her and went and followed nonsense. Instead of you to come here and try me to see how... Obina, why did you do like this now? God. Obina. Hey! Sit down. I think I'm going insane. Hey. I need to go and take one bottle. My head now, eh? Obina!
If you hear the insult that girl rained on me this afternoon, what happened? Just because I asked her if she cannot greet. That was all. In fact, she almost ran into my life. It's not a laughing matter. Me, Thomas, a girl that is chasing after illusion.
How do you mean?
You're asking me how I mean?
Man, I don't understand.
Nkechi is chasing after Obinna.
I know.
While Obinna is chasing after Nkem.
Oh.
Is it not mad thing?
Now I get it.
Eh? Is it not madness?
Oh, this is where all this is coming from.
Yes! Onye na-achụ onye ọzọ. Just like me now. Na-achụ nwaanyị nbu n'obi wee na-achụ onye ọzọ. Can you imagine? So
it's not normal. I don't blame that girl.
So that is what.
But that insult is too much on me.
Eh? Yes.
Gossips. Mamoju, please bring life for me. Thank you.
Hey, Nkechi, when did you start drinking alcohol? Talk more of to use your teeth and open warm my room. When did you start drinking alcohol? Huh?
What's the meaning of this? No. Tell me, how is it your business that I'm drinking life? How is it your business? Eh?
Can you imagine?
Just imagine, no?
Wait, Nkechi, let me not even ask you. Why didn't you greet us when you came in? I want to ask you why. Why did you open a bottle of life?
It's like something is wrong with your head. Something is wrong with, as my father. It won't come as my father that I cannot open drink and drink your. Who are you? No, who are you? Eh? Who are you? Who are you? Okay. Wait. Oh! Oh, so you guys have now joined gossip gang, eh? You have joined Picard and gossips with my name to Obina, eh?
Don't insult me. In fact, don't insult us because of Obina. Do we look like gossip? Do we look like gossip?
Of course, because it's only a gossip that will come here and sit down and be smoking cigar, be drinking. Yes! That is why Obina is better than you.
You have joined our group now. You are now drinking beer. Opening beer with your teeth and drinking it in a bar.
That's because I want to drink it today. How many times do you see me here? That is why Obina is better than you.
Shut up, dear. I said shut up. Shut up. See, when next you are talking to me, or when next you have chance, or you have the opportunity to talk to me like this, do not mention Obina.
Obina is the real man. Yes! Obina is not a drunkard. Obina is working. He makes money. He's responsible. Obina is not a drunk. Obina does not come here and smoke cigar like both of you. Obina is not a drunk.
Shut up! Shut up there! Obina. Let me tell you something you don't know about Obina. That Obina you are struggling and dying for is not dying for you. Obina is busy where he is looking for his Nkemu. Oh yes! Oh yes!
Don't worry!
This one is here, right?
Don't worry! Obina is just under a spell. Yes! He's under a spell. But don't worry. In 1 month, that spell will be broken. I will personally come and invite you for a traditional marriage. In fact, I am going to come with Obina to invite you. Me and Obina will come and invite you for a traditional marriage.
Iba! Kakata where you there? Come on! Kata where you there? I'm talking and you're still drinking beer.
Why should I not drink?
Madam, why did you even allow this girl to sit close to me?
So because Alabino is talking, I should not talk.
This girl, if you see her.
Have you ever seen a real man?
Calm down.
You know, check out.
Look at this. Look at this. Is it because we even, madam, let her take her seat away from my side.
I talk to real men.
See, let me tell you. You are the one that caused everything. Wait till.
Were you not at the bar before I came and met you? And you were waiting for me before I came, and we were there. The girl now came. It's not my fault now.
Don't like
why you sounding this way?
Listen. I don't like the way that girl insulted us. Eh? That girl really insulted us.
No, I understand. Look, let me tell you, Buru. If not for the regards that I have for her father, I would have dealt with her mercilessly. You know me now. See, I'm not a weakling.
See, you know concern me. As I'm talking to you, if not because of one thing, what I would have done to that girl, even Katie that girl, I will make sure that I will use my hand to press her into pieces.
Calm down. I understand.
Can you imagine the type of insult she gave to us?
I understand. She insulted us. I know. But you are a man. You have to be calming down. Your anger is too much. Tell her.
If she ever try to insult me again, Tom, if she ever try to insult me again, why again? Even my petonya buburu.
Now. I know who you are, but you have to be calming down. Your temper is too much. I've always told you this. Your temper, your anger is too much. Take it down.
Or if I do about this, is that the reason she will insult me?
Let's go home. Let's go to my house and.
I'm not going. In fact, it's like I will go back, sir.
Let's go and get something to eat first. You can't just be going back home.
Who knows if I will see her again there? Let's go.
She's not important.
Hey, Ma, am I cursed? What is wrong with me? Like, what is happening? Did they lay a curse on me somewhere?
Why are you saying all this?
What is happening to me? Why is Obina messing up? Why would Obina be treating me this way? Why is he behaving like this? Why is he treating me this way? Why? Just imagine. Imagine Obina treating me like a rotten fruit. Ma, look at me now. Check me out. Look at a fine girl like me. Ma, Lenum now. Check me out. Am I not good enough? Am I not fine enough?
You are very beautiful.
If I am not, tell me. If I am not beautiful, tell me. Am I not?
You are very beautiful.
What is happening? Why is Obina misbehaving? Why Why is Obina treating me like this? Hey, imagine Obina treating me like a rotten fruit. I mean, how can Obina leave me, a sweet girl like me, to settle for that local champion? Eh? Oh, you have to understand that some things are not ordinary. Yes, Obina is under a spell. Obviously. Yes. Let me tell you, Nkechi, if truly you love Obina as your place, you have to do something. You have to do something. Even the Bible says that the kingdom of God suffereth violence, and only the violent one taketh it by force. So it's time for you to take Obina. If truly you want Obina, open your eye well. That was how, what is that girl's name? Chioma almost snatched Oke from me, but I dealt with her. Yes, I showed her the other side of me. So my dear, if truly you want Obina back, you have to do something. You have to open your eye, shine it well, so that you have Obina's number. If truly you want him back, of course, I want him back. So what do we do? Don't worry yourself, I will tell you the exact thing to do. You know now, you are my friend, so I won't like seeing you like this. Don't worry. And I don't want a situation where tomorrow you start singing, Jehovah carry me, they go my husband's house.
Sister,
how are you coming from?
I want to check
my dear, I'll see you later, okay?
Yes, I have to go now.
I'll see you guys later, okay?
Okay.
Don't worry, okay?
Bye-bye.
Everything will be fine, my friend. So, you said you want to see us.
Sister,
Are you done with what I asked you to prepare for me in the kitchen?
yes, I'm done. I'm very tired.
Oh, sorry, my dear.
Hey, sister, there's something I want to ask you.
What is it? Hope no problem.
I overheard you and your friend discussing the lady that left here earlier. Sister, I hope you remember the consequences of you going to Gwaja.
Obianuju, wait, did I just hear you mention Ogwaja? Is it because when I was going through emotional trauma, I confided in you as my younger sister, and you had the guts to want to mock me with it?
Sister, I am not using it against you. Of course you know I'm saying the truth. I am not using anything against you. I am just trying to tell you that if you allow things to be, you don't force love.
Really?
Allow it to be. Allow love to be. You mustn't take her to everywhere you've been going to because you want to snatch one man or you want to snatch it. Allow it.
Shut up, Michelle! Will you shut up your mouth? Oh, you haven't even looking me in the eyes at all. Are you? Oh yeah, say about the voice.
I'm only.
I'm
only respecting because of my elder
sister. This stupid girl. Jeez. I don't blame you. No, I don't blame you. I blame myself.
I was just playing a mind game on them.
My love, I thought I lost you.
No. You could never lose me. Can't you see? Even the wind can bear witness to our bond. It is together
forever.
I often wonder what this life would have been without you. You are my one and only. I can live my life without you. Even when the world is saying no, we will stick together. Tied in everlasting bond. We are inseparable. Oh, even if the sky is falling, we will be together.
Maz, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? I need updates. What's going on? She's coming from where? Man, ask Maz what is going on. We'll be here for how many hours? I have things to do for God's sake. So,
Oh, alright, money. Please calm down and
Calm down.
Take care of yourself.
Yes.